In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 7 and today I would like to show you how you can add photos to text message. Begin by launching Messages app and selecting or creating a chat. Now tap on this icon of a camera and the photo at the bottom right corner. To take a photo and add it, operate all of those options at the bottom. Take a pic, and it will be automatically added. If you want to add already existing photos, tap on the same icon and tap on them to attach them. If you can't find them, you can scroll down to access folders at the bottom left corner. Find them here, click on the chosen ones, and select Done at the bottom right corner twice. Then send them. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!